and welcome to the Cumberland Valley Weight Room. This video is designed to take you on a little tour of the room, show you the equipment that we have available, and also to show you the pin machines and how to correctly use them. All right, so we'll start our tour of the weight room right here facing what are called the half racks. The half racks are free weights. These things can be adjusted to all kinds of different weights, to different heights and sizes, and to do all kinds of different lifts. We have 6 half racks and they make up the middle of the room. Then going down along this edge of the room, we have what are called plate loaded machines. Plate loaded machines allow you to customize your weight by putting different weighted plates on, anywhere from 2.5 to 45 pounds. And we have several different plate loaded machines. As we walk down into this end of the room, we have pin machines. Pin machines, you change the weight by changing the pin adjustment. You can see the yellow pins and the stack of plates right there. And we have several different styles of pin machines. Then we have a cable crossover, which has stacks of plates on 2 different sides. And you can use them both simultaneously or one side or the other. We do have a couple pieces of cardio equipment, like an elliptical and a treadmill. We have a dumbbell rack to do all kinds of different exercises with. And then coming back down to finish our lap, we have soft box jumps. To do plyometrics, we have 2 what are called ham glute machines. And then we have a storage rack that has TRX suspension trainers with some BOSU balls, stability balls, medicine balls, and foam rollers. This is our weight room at a glance. So we want to spend a little time going over the pin machines. And so simply, if you've never done this, the only thing that you do to change the weight is to simply pull this pin out and change it to a weight that you feel is going to be comfortable for you. These go in 20-pound increments, as you can see. So if 70 pounds is too easy for you, but 90 pounds is too hard for you, what do? Well, what we have up on the top of this column are 2 7.5-pound plates. So what we can do is add a 7.5-pound plate to here to make it 77.5, or we can add a second 7.5-pound plate, and that will make it 85 pounds. So you can kind of go in between those 2. Most of the pin machines have seats. If you are seated at a pin machine, there is typically a yellow knob underneath that you can adjust for your height with numbers on the column, so you can remember what seat height you were from time to time. So you just simply pull the pin and adjust the seat height. So in most of our phys ed classes, we have a wide range of experience levels when it comes to strength training, from no experience to a lot of experience in different weight rooms and in this weight room. So if you have little to no experience with strength training, we hope you find this video informative. We're going to show you the proper way to do all these different lifts with the machines, so you can set yourself up correctly and you can challenge yourself with weight that you think is good. And obviously, while you're in the room, if you ever have any questions, that's why we're here. We'd love to show you the right way to do things and to help you to learn so that you can figure out if this is something that you like to do and you want to pursue, or if it's really not for you. Either way, we hope you like the video. this machine is a little different than all the other machines in the weight room. For this machine, which is the assisted dips and assisted pull-ups, any weight that you put onto the stack is weight that you take off of your body weight to make it easier to do the lift. Whereas every other machine in the room, the more weight you put on, the more weight you're lifting, the more challenging it will be. For this, we want to assist you in doing dips and pull-ups. So we want to take weight off of your body so that it's more easily done for repetitions. So the more weight you put on this stack, the more weight is off of you. Let me show you how you do it. If I put this on 30 pounds, it's going to take 30 pounds off of my body weight. And I'm going to step up onto these platforms, hold on to the handles, put my knees onto this pad, and then I can do pull-ups with 30 pounds off of my body. Once I finish my repetitions, I'm going to step down with one leg and rack the weight with my knee and step down off the platform. I can do that with dips as well. As I get stronger, I can decrease the weight so that more of me is doing the repetitions as opposed to the platform carrying more of my weight. After you're finished with any equipment that you use in the weight room, it's really important to spray it down with some spray and paper towels. So thanks for watching the video on the overview of the weight room and the pin machines. We've made videos on the plate load machines and how to adjust the half racks as well that you can check out if you're so inclined. And if you have any other ideas for videos that you'd like to see, let us know and we'll make a new video.